body on rough horizontal surface, just slide or get ready to move. Simply body not move, just get ready to move. Once again I repeat Nana. Angle of friction denoted by phi Nana. Okay, in this situation Nana, this is applicable only for when the body just ready to begin slide. Once again, the body just begin to slide, just ready to move, not move. Once again I repeat, not move Nana. Okay, here this can be explained. This is the rough horizontal surface Nana. Look here. This is the body Nana. Here, because of rough surface, friction act in this direction. This is friction. Here body just ready to move means this is static friction. Maximum value of static friction is called limiting friction. Body says a action, floor says a opposite reaction. In this situation, here limiting friction and normal reaction are called as contact forces. Okay? Here now, this is a normal reaction force. This is a frictional force. This is P. This is Q. According to parallelogram, resultant always between the P and Q. This is the resultant. Here R indicate resultant. Deనికి resultant బంగారు కొండలు, limiting friction and normal reaction. This resultant made some angle with normal reaction. This is called angle of friction. What is the angle of friction definition? Angle of friction is nothing but the angle between resultant with normal reaction. This angle is called what Nana? Angle of friction. What is the angle of friction? The angle made by the resultant with normal reaction. The angle is called angle of friction. We know the mathematics. This R here, XY plane, here make some angle. So that's why R may be resolved into two components. Here it makes an angle phi. This write as R cos phi. Okay? The angle says R cos phi. Here other component is R sin phi. Once again Junaiddin. R makes an angle. This component is R cos phi. This component is R sin phi. In the situation, according to diagram, FL equal to R sin phi. Comparison చేద్దాం. Equation number 1. Look here. What is the value of n? According to diagram, R cos phi. Okay? Equation number 2. Nana, here to determine coefficient of static friction. Coefficient of static friction formula is mu s. Mu s formula is Fs by n. Yesterday I discussed. Here, maximum static friction is called limiting friction. Fl by N. In the situation, equation 1, what is the Fl value? R sin phi. What is the value of N? R cos phi. Here R cancel. Finally we get left side mu s is there. Right side sin phi by cos phi, nothing but the tan phi. This is the relation between mu s and phi. Simply, mu s is called coefficient of friction, phi is called angle of friction. What is the relation between coefficient of static friction and angle of friction? Mu s equal to tan phi. This is applicable only for the body get ready to slide or body just move. Simply get ready to move. That means does not move. What is the relation between mu s and phi? Mu s equal to tan phi. All of you write the running notes. Contact force. Look here now. This is the surface Nana. Okay. Here body is placed on the rough horizontal surface. In the situation, what is the total contact forces? First, because of rough surface friction is present, F. Body at rest, static friction is present, okay? Or F is present, okay? Here, body says a action, floor says a opposite reaction. Contact forces develop because of surfaces. Here, how many forces acting due to surface? One is friction, other one is normal reaction force. Both are perpendicular. Net contact force, that is called resultant. We know the parallelogram law. What is the parallelogram law? Under root, tell me Nana. P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. Okay, this is the parallelogram. Two vectors is given. Here, this vector, what is the angle? 90 degree. Here substitute. Here P value is friction. Here write F square. Q is given N square. This is P, this is Q. Here theta value substitute 90, cos 90 0, 0 into anything 0. Okay. This is the formula for net contact force due to rough surface. Look here. Okay, that is the formula for net contact force. Look here now. Net contact force. What is the formula we obtained? Sriram, Aditya. Net contact force is under root F square plus N square. Okay, this is the formula. But we know that in the chapter, what is the formula for mu? F by N. What is the formula for F? F, mu into n, simply mu square n square plus n square. Right side, look here. Right side, look here. Right side common term is n square into mu square plus 1. Okay? Here right side common is n. Once again I repeat. F write as mu into n. Okay? N square outside right n. Under root, look here mu square plus 1. This is another formula for net contact force. This is equation number 1 under root F square plus n square, and second one is n into under root mu square plus 1. This is the formula for net contact force. For example, in the problem, body just ready to move. This can see in the question. Net contact force. Look here, Nana. Net contact force. To see the equation number 2, n into under root mu square plus 1. But keyword in the problem, body just ready to move means angle of friction. Here we know the relation between mu and tan phi. Mu equal to tan phi. Here mu square is there. That's why write tan square phi. Here net contact force equal to n into. Here 1 plus tan square theta in the mathematics, secant square theta. 1 plus tan square theta write as secant square theta. Here square root what can say. This is the formula for n secant phi net contact force. Here the body just ready to move. Here I take a horizontal surface. On the horizontal surface, what is the value of n? mg. On inclined plane, what is the value of n? mg cos theta. This is horizontal surface. mg secant phi. This is the net contact force. Equation number 3. Here secant phi write as 1 by cos phi. Simply net contact force write as mg by cos phi.